Santa Maria! Go! Bravo! Palakpakan po natin ang ating Midnight Girls. Of course, Sanya Lopez, Gina Ineza, and Miss Jody Santa Maria. And joining them, Miss Carmi Martin is also there, and Direk Irene Emma. Villamor and T-Hab Productions Executive Producer, Ted Javines. Tuwan-tuwa sila sa sayaw. Wow! Direk! Ayan na! Woo! Dapat sumabay ka, Ate Aubrey. Direk, hindi ka raw sumama. Oo. Bago ang lahat, ito po, batiin lang natin sila, Jolie. Say a few words.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat na nandito ngayon. Nagpapasalamat kami sa oras na ibinigay ninyo para sa isang special screening ng The Midnight Girls. Sana ma-enjoy ninyo ang pelikula na ginawa namin. This is shot entirely in Nagoya, Japan.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you very much. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Warner Brothers Executive Sir Rico Gonzalez is here. And of course, Direk Edgar Bobot Ortiz is also here. We saw him earlier. Ayan po. Ano pala? Nandito. Hello, Direk! Ayan po, sama po tayo sa photo op. Eto na po. Photo op na po. And Sir Rico, please do join us up in front. Please give way for Sir Rico po. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Ow! Rafaela Remigio, of course, from T-Hab is also here.
Nanonood lagi.
Are we good? Thank you very much. Palakpakan naman po natin ang bumubuo ng Midnight Girls. Maraming salamat. We will see you again later on for our Q&A. Oo. At syempre, hindi na pa sumasayaw din ang ating mga dancer dito. Papalakpakan din natin sila. Oo. Maraming salamat. We will see you later on as now we are preparing to watch Midnight Girls Final